Welcome back to the channel, where we explore the delicious world of healthy eating. Today, we're diving headfirst into a topic that's been making waves in the world of healthy eating: the incredible zucchini. In a world where more and more of us are embracing the idea of a healthier lifestyle, the spotlight is on the foods we eat. And guess what? Zucchini is stealing the show. So, in this video, we're embarking on a journey to unlock the power of zucchini and discover how it can be your ticket to a healthier, more vibrant life. Our goal today is simple but profound. We're here to explore the various health benefits of consuming zucchini. You'll be amazed at just how much this humble vegetable has to offer. Are you ready? Let's get started on our zucchini adventure. Zucchini, also referred to as courgette, is a remarkable vegetable that has earned its place in the culinary world for its versatility and delightful taste. As a member of the gourd family, zucchini is characterized by its elongated, cylindrical shape and vibrant green skin. It boasts a mild, slightly sweet flavor, making it a versatile addition to a wide range of dishes, both savory and sweet. Its tender flesh and subtle taste make it a favorite choice for those seeking a vegetable that can easily adapt to various culinary applications. Zucchini's popularity extends far beyond its native region, as it has found its way into kitchens across the globe. From Italian cuisine, where it stars in classic dishes like spaghetti alla primavera, to Mexican cuisine, where it can be found in hearty quesadillas and salsas, zucchini has established itself as a staple ingredient. Additionally, it plays a vital role in Mediterranean and Middle Eastern cuisines, often grilled, roasted, or stuffed with flavorful fillings. Zucchini's widespread presence in diverse culinary traditions reflects its adaptability and ability to enhance the taste and texture of countless dishes. Zucchini is a nutritional powerhouse that offers a multitude of health benefits, and one of its standout features is its remarkably low calorie content. With only about 17 calories per cup or 223 grams of cooked zucchini, it is a fantastic choice for those looking to maintain a healthy weight or shed a few pounds. Its low-calorie nature makes it an ideal component of weight management and calorie-conscious diets. Zucchini is not only low in calories but also packs a punch in terms of essential nutrients. It's a rich source of vitamins, including vitamin C, which boosts the immune system and promotes healthy skin, vitamin A, vital for vision and immune function, and vitamin K, which plays a crucial role in blood clotting and bone health. In addition to these vitamins, zucchini provides essential minerals such as potassium, which aids in regulating blood pressure and muscle function, and magnesium, important for heart health and various bodily processes. Furthermore, zucchini contains a generous amount of dietary fiber, contributing to digestive health, regulating blood sugar levels, and promoting a feeling of fullness. When it comes to building a balanced diet, zucchini shines as an excellent choice. Its low-calorie, high-nutrient profile means you can enjoy it without guilt while reaping the benefits of vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber. Incorporating zucchini into your meals can help ensure that you receive essential nutrients while keeping your calorie intake in check. Zucchini offers several health benefits, and one of its standout advantages is its role in weight management. Thanks to its low-calorie content and high-fiber composition, zucchini is a valuable addition to weight loss and maintenance plans. The fiber in zucchini helps promote a feeling of fullness, reducing the temptation to overeat, while the low calorie count means you can enjoy satisfying portions without consuming excess calories. Zucchini also contributes to heart health in multiple ways. Its potassium and magnesium content plays a vital role in maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. These minerals help regulate blood vessel function and prevent hypertension. Regular consumption of zucchini can contribute to lower blood pressure, reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. When it comes to digestive health, zucchini is a standout performer. Its dietary fiber content aids in smooth digestion by promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. Including zucchini in your diet can help ensure a healthy and efficient digestive system. Zucchini's antioxidant properties are another noteworthy feature. It contains essential antioxidants such as vitamin C and vitamin A, which protect the body against oxidative stress. These antioxidants neutralize harmful free radicals, reducing the risk of chronic diseases and supporting overall well-being. Zucchini also offers benefits for eye health. Vitamin A, found abundantly in zucchini, is crucial for maintaining good eyesight and preventing vision-related issues. Regular consumption of zucchini can contribute to healthier eyes and better vision. For those looking to promote clear and youthful skin, zucchini can be a valuable ally. Its vitamin C content supports collagen production, which is essential for skin elasticity and vibrancy. Including zucchini in your diet can help achieve and maintain healthy, glowing skin. Another significant benefit of zucchini is its low glycemic index, GI. This means that it has a minimal impact on blood sugar levels when consumed. For individuals with diabetes or those seeking to manage their blood sugar, zucchini can be a smart choice as part of a balanced diet, helping to maintain steady blood sugar levels. Zucchini's versatility in the kitchen makes it an exciting addition to a wide range of dishes. There are countless creative ways to incorporate zucchini into your meals, adding both flavor and nutrition to your diet. One popular option is to make zucchini noodles, often referred to as zoodles. Using a spiralizer, you can transform zucchini into thin, noodle-like strands that are a fantastic substitute for traditional pasta. Top them with your favorite sauces, and you have a low-carb, nutrient-packed alternative that's both delicious and satisfying. Grilling zucchini is another delightful option. Simply slice zucchini into rounds or lengthwise strips, brush with a bit of olive oil, sprinkle with seasonings, and grill until they have a smoky, charred flavor. Grilled zucchini is a perfect side dish for summer barbecues or as a flavorful addition to sandwiches and salads. Zucchini fritters offer a crispy and savory treat. Mix grated zucchini with ingredients like eggs, breadcrumbs, and herbs, then pan-fry until golden brown. These fritters can be enjoyed as appetizers, snacks, or a unique side dish. For those with a sweet tooth, zucchini bread is a delightful option. Grated zucchini can be incorporated into the batter, adding moisture and a subtle sweetness. The result is a moist, flavorful bread that's perfect for breakfast or as a wholesome dessert. To preserve the nutritional value of zucchini while cooking, there are a few essential tips to keep in mind. First, avoid overcooking. Overcooked zucchini can become mushy and lose some of its nutrients. Opt for cooking methods that retain zucchini's texture and color, such as lightly sautéing, grilling, or roasting. Additionally, consider leaving the skin on when cooking zucchini, as it contains valuable nutrients and dietary fiber. Thoroughly rinse and gently scrub the zucchini to remove any dirt or contaminants before cooking. Steaming zucchini is another excellent cooking method that helps preserve its nutritional content. Steaming requires minimal water, reducing the risk of nutrient loss through leaching. Finally, try to use minimal oil and avoid heavy, creamy sauces when preparing zucchini dishes. This ensures that you can enjoy the vegetable's natural flavors and nutritional benefits without unnecessary calories or saturated fats. By following these tips, you can make the most of zucchini's healthful properties while adding a delightful twist to your meals. While zucchini is a generally well-tolerated vegetable, it's essential to be aware of potential allergies or sensitivities. Some individuals may be allergic to zucchini or other members of the squash family. Allergic reactions to zucchini can range from mild symptoms like itching, hives, or digestive discomfort to more severe reactions, such as difficulty breathing or anaphylaxis. If you suspect an allergy to zucchini or experience any adverse reactions after consuming it, it's crucial to seek medical attention and avoid zucchini and related foods in the future. For individuals with certain health conditions, moderation in zucchini consumption may be advisable. Zucchini is relatively low in oxalates compared to some other vegetables, but it still contains them. Oxalates can contribute to the formation of kidney stones in susceptible individuals. If you have a history of kidney stones or are at risk of developing them, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional who can provide guidance on your dietary oxalate intake, including your zucchini consumption. Additionally, individuals with specific digestive conditions, such as irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, may find that consuming high amounts of fiber-rich foods like zucchini can exacerbate symptoms like bloating and gas. In such cases, it may be wise to monitor your zucchini intake and make adjustments to your diet accordingly. Overall, while zucchini offers numerous health benefits, it's essential to tailor your consumption to your individual health needs and consult with a healthcare provider if you have concerns or specific dietary restrictions. In conclusion, we've unraveled the incredible health benefits of zucchini. From its role in weight management and heart health to promoting digestive well-being and supporting your skin and eyes, zucchini is a nutritional powerhouse that deserves a place in your diet. We encourage you to embrace the power of zucchini in your meals. Whether you choose to spiralize it into zoodles, grill it to perfection, whip up some delicious fritters, or even add it to your favorite baked goods, there are endless ways to enjoy this versatile vegetable. We love hearing from our viewers. If you have any questions, comments, or feedback about zucchini or any other health-related topics, please share them in the comments section below. We're here to help and engage in meaningful conversations with you. Thank you so much for joining us today as we explored the wonders of zucchini. If you found this video informative and enjoyable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. For additional resources and related videos, check out the links in the description. And stay tuned for our upcoming videos where we'll continue to explore health and wellness topics that matter to you. Until next time, stay healthy and keep on cooking with zucchini.